I'm gonna pop it. Ready?
There you go. So what's you think?
I know what I'm taking home for my daughter. Good morning, everyone. This is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida. Right now I'm on South Beach with my boy Omar from Miami Food Tours. We're at his restaurant, Bella Cuba, and today we're going on a Wynwood Food Tour. And the way that this tour works is you start here, you get picked up by the Swoop, right? Swoop, which is like a golf cart. They take you from here, crossing the Venetian, crossing the waterway to downtown. There we see a few of the attractions that make up downtown, the history of downtown, and then we go into Wynwood and we start eating. We're gonna have a quick colada. This is a very strong coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, just the perfect thing to wake up.
Right here we have our traditional Cuban pastries. They're homemade, fresh made, right about 10 minutes for you guys. So we got the guava cheese right here with coconut on top. We got the Nutella with chocolate and cheese, and we also have the guava and cheese right here.
I'm going for Nutella.
Yeah, I thought so.
I had to, man. Oh my God, this looks incredible. Look at this thing.
Let me grab one. Let me try one. Cheers.
Oh my God. Oh man. That's like my childhood again.
I don't know why I act so surprised. I eat like 10 of them a week.
I love how the Cuban pastry is so fluffy. A lot of dough. Gotta try one more, man. Coconut, guava with cheese and burnt coconut. Oh, it's delicious. This is like a true Cuban pastry. Guava. Oh.
It's like a cream cheese that we make. And you get the crunchiness of the coconut up top too, with the flakiness of the pastry. It's really good.
We need some more coffee for sure. And if you don't know what colada is, that is like the strongest form of Cuban coffee.
Always gotta share. You always gotta share a colada with someone. You see our cute little Cuban coffee mugs. No better way to drink a nice Cuban colada in the morning. So this is the authentic. It's just guava and cheese. So good.
Guava cheese heaven. The Swoop! What? Where are you going? Awesome, our ride's here. So we ready to go?
Yeah.
Hey Swoop!
What's up? What's up? What's your name?
Hi, Alexia.
Alexia, pleasure. Nice to meet you, David.
Hi, David. Nice to meet you.
Awesome.
You ready to go?
So we're ready to go on our Sobe Wynwood Tour de Forks. 3 hours. We're gonna show you the entire city and we're gonna try some delicious food. Let's go.
Let's go. This is awesome. Getting in a golf cart, you really get to see Miami. Fresh air,
For sure.
beautiful scenery, and today is gorgeous. Not a cloud in the sky.
South Beach is constantly under reconstruction and renovation. We have a lot of Art Deco buildings here in South Beach that are obviously very old. So you'll see along the way and along the route that a lot of them are under renovation, especially around this area close to the Miami Beach Convention Center. So we just entered Belle Isle, and Belle Isle is the first island when you're coming from Miami Beach onto the Venetian Causeway. And it was the only original island not man-made in Miami Beach. So all the other islands like Star Island are all man-made. Belle Isle is the original island. And we're going right through right now.
This is the Venetian Causeway Bridge, which was built in 1913. At the time, it was the longest wooden bridge in the United States at 2.5 miles long. We are now entering downtown Miami, where we take Biscayne Boulevard and pass 1000 Museum, which is the first residential skyscraper to be built in the Western Hemisphere by the late architect Zaha Hadid. Also on our route is the Freedom Tower, the Ellis Island of the South. Most Cuban immigrants passed through here during their mass exodus out of Cuba in the 1960s. From there, we travel through the new Miami World Center neighborhood and the rapidly growing Arts and Entertainment District.
Our first stop in Wynwood is gonna be La Latina Bakery and Cafe. It was originally opened by a husband and wife team from Venezuela, and they've been here in Miami for over 10 years. So let's go and check them out.
And if you guys don't know, my parents were born in Venezuela, so I grew up on the arepas and tequenos. If you don't know what tequenos are, It's like little fried cheese sticks. Oh my God. And arepas? Arepas are like these dough sandwiches, I guess, not dough, corn sandwiches that you fill them with cheese and whatever else you want. La Latina. I've never been here.
All right, welcome. Come on in. All right, so arepas are very, very traditional in Colombia and Venezuela. That's why we're here in La Latina today. And we got 3 types of arepa. We got the most traditional ones. This one has avocado and black beans. This one is with ropa vieja. And this one is la reina pepiada. And this is like a chicken salad with avocado also.
So good.
And it looks amazing. All 3 look amazing.
All right, so we're gonna both start with these. But the one thing you have to do when you get one of these is that you have to use some of these sauces. We're just gonna try some. Oh, look at that, all dripping.
Ooh, it's juices. All the juices are flowing into it. Oh my God.
The ropa vieja.
Wow, man.
Mixed with the white cheese. Oh my God.
And this is unbelievable. And it tastes so fresh, so clean and so fresh.
This is so delicious.
The sauces really complement the arepas amazingly well.
Yeah, this one's like more like a alioli, and this one, I don't know what this is.
This has a lot of cilantro in it, and it just complements the chicken salad and the avocado really, really well.
It's spicy. No? Spicy. Guess who's gonna finish it,
Yeah,
right?
you should try this
Let's
one.
try that one. You should try this
Seriously,
one too.
man.
Sorry, just like
No,
just
me
took it off
too.
this
I'm
thing.
sorry. Oye, están riquísimas las arepas estas. Deliciosa.
This one's amazing. This is chicken salad. Wow. You gotta mix it in with the spice. Spice is amazing. I'm gonna slow down with this. I think we should try this one because if not, we're gonna leave the poor guy alone.
Saving the best till last, right? Dun dun dun.
Oh, right there, tequenos.
So we got
They're still hot? Oh
some
my God,
drinks.
they're on
Oh
fire.
yeah, the tequenos are roasting.
All right, let me see what this one tastes like. Black beans with avocado.
And to wash it all down, we have some of the traditional papelón with limón.
Papelón.
You can taste the brown sugar, the sugar cane in there.
Oh man. What's in this? I forgot about this. Nice, right?
You can feel the sweetness coming through. You can also get the flavor of the caraotas.
I gotta show you this one. This is like heaven. Fried cheese stick, it's called tequeño. Watch this. Sometimes you gotta be careful because sometimes it pops.
Full of cheesy goodness.
Oh my God. My father would have these at all the weddings in Venezuela. They bring these out like a million. He literally sit by the kitchen and just pop these. Oh wow.
Crunchy on the outside. You can see that white cheese on the inside.
I was gonna take it slow because we have so many places to go to, but
Yeah.
it's so good. Wow, we had a lot of food right there. That's a really heavy meal, but yeah, still got a few more places to go.
That was amazing. We still have 3 stops to go, and we're just around the corner from the next one, so let's do it. Our next stop is Mandolin Aegean Bistro here in the Design District in Miami, and we're gonna show you the platters of delicious Mediterranean cuisine that they set out for us today.
And this is a Aegean Bistro, so basically it's Turkish and Greek. The best foods on earth. All right, so we're gonna start with this little appetizer.
Okay, so
Hummus, tzatziki, and I don't know what this one was.
I am a hummus lover. I love hummus of all types, but the traditional hummus is my favorite. No better way to try it than here at this Aegean Bistro. Husband and wife couple, Anastasia and Ahmed. They're Turkish and Greek, and it shows you how Turkish and Greek cultures and cuisines can go along one another side by side perfectly in harmony.
Hand in hand. This one is my favorite. I don't know what this is. This is like a tomato mixed with tzatziki, I think.
Yeah, this is some feta cheese in here.
Oh, okay.
So you see that feta in there. You see the sun-dried tomatoes.
Alright, you can eat those.
Huh.
Just having like an orgasm with this shit. And for me, this is my favorite part. The chili.
So good, guys. It's hot, like literally.
This is some Greek wine from Peloponnese, the peninsula. They have some of the best white wines on earth. Oh my god. Try it.
Wow.
It's like
That is really good.
their wines are made for Greek Isles, like straight up. That's where this is where you drink this, you know, on the beach.
Pairs perfectly.
So right next door to Mandolin, they have their newest project, which is called Miss Mandolin. It's a cafe and lifestyle boutique. We're gonna have a coffee and check out the store. So here at the boutique, you can basically buy, you know, clothing. This feels very Mediterranean, like you're going to the beach. And then over here, they have stuff for your house. So you can buy, basically you can furnish your house. So it's, you know, home furnishings. A lot of cool stuff here. Really love these pillows. Feels like I'm back in Greece. Amazing. Perfect. Cheers, man.
Cheers. Thank you to everyone at Mandolin for all their hospitality and their amazing food and now coffee.
This guy's Irish is coming out really all the time. It's good coffee.
All right, so next stop is one of the big stops on the tour. It's Wynwood Kitchen and Bar, and we're also going to be having a look at the famous Wynwood Walls.
We're entering the Wynwood Arts District. Literally 15 years ago, this was just warehouses. Now it's the most famous place in Miami. Every single person that comes to Miami comes here to take photos with the murals, drink delicious beers, and eat amazing food.
So we're here at the Wynwood Walls, and as you can see all around us, there's amazing art from artists that come from all over the world to display their artwork here at these murals. And as you can see right over here, we have the artists of the walls, and you have the majority of names, and it grows every single day. So we have all of the biggest artists from all over the world. They come here and exhibit their work for everybody to see here in Miami.
It blows my mind how many people come here every day. Like literally, people don't go anywhere else, they come here.
Yeah, no. Ready. So we're here at Wynwood Kitchen and Bar, and today we're gonna be trying the gambas al ajillo and the shredded short rib flautas. I hear they're amazing.
And we're also both gonna get 2 beers, local beers. I think I'm gonna go with the Funky Buddha Hop Gun IPA. It's actually north, it's not from here. What are you gonna get?
I'm getting the blonde Miami beer. We just had to tell you about Tony Goldman and the Rubel family. These are 2 huge families in the urban art scene here in Miami. And Tony Goldman and his family literally created all of this that you see here today.
IPA? Oh wow. And here we have gambas al ajillo. So that's shrimp. Oh my god. So shrimp al ajillo, so it's like garlic, parsley, oh delicious. Oh my god.
Nice little bit of avocado, some salsa fresca, and you got those short ribs on the inside to die for.
Oh, flautas with short rib. Holy I love flautas. They're like fried little tacos wrapped with stuff inside.
Fried little pieces of heaven, that's what I call them.
Alright, last spot, we're gonna get some dessert.
Right now we're heading to our last stop. It's bunny cakes. We're gonna try some delicious handcrafted cupcakes.
I love cupcakes.
Bunny Cakes is in the heart of Wynwood, and today we're gonna try some of their vegan, some of their gluten-free, and some of their regular cupcakes. They are absolutely fantastic, baked in-house every single day. Must try if you're coming this way.
They put their hearts into every cupcake. And as you can see, they have a heart on top of every cupcake. All right, so we got a dozen cupcakes. We got a big mix. I think we got like 4 chocolates, and then Damn, I don't remember.
We got passion fruit, we got chocolate, we got strawberry, we got coconut vanilla, we got vanilla, and we got like chocolate.
Are we really gonna eat all this right now?
No, probably not.
Probably.
Save some for later.
Nah, dude, I want this. This is amazing. Look at this. Oh my god, look at that. It's like heaven.
Wow, those colors.
So what do you want to start
I was
with?
just staring at the little screen.
I'm gonna go with this. I think this is the dark chocolate.
Yeah, the passion fruit is one of my favorites. I've been here a lot before.
A lot before.
So their slogan is they put their heart into every single one.
So
and as you can see right here, it's a little heart on every single one. So,
okay, so
that's enough of that.
This is just like one bite, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we really need to go for another one. This is banana split. It's got a little piece of chocolate with vanilla and banana.
And this one? This is cinnamon sugar.
Oh.
Oh my god.
They do. They really do put their heart into every single one.
Oh god.
Like saliva is falling out of my mouth.
That's so good. Oh, last one? Want to go for one more? No?
I really can't.
You can't? Okay, I'll go for one more. I'm gonna end this food tour with dulce de leche cupcake. Dulce de leche is one of my favorite things ever. It's like a different type of Nutella. It's like Nutella and dulce de leche. My two favorite things
It's like
ever.
a caramel. It's like the Latin caramel.
I'm gonna pop it. Ready?
There you go. Nice.
Oh man.
So what you think?
I know what I'm taking home for my daughter. That was incredible.
Yeah. These definitely won't be staying around too long. We already ate like half the box.
So guys, I hope you love this food tour of Wynwood Design District / South Beach. It was incredible. We ate so many delicious things. What was your favorite?
All of it. I love food, so everything. Bunny cakes, they all have something different that you need to see when you come to Miami. So that's why we put it all into one tour. It's 3 hours, and it's such a fun way to spend the day. So come spend it with Miami Food Tours and Davidsbeenhere.
My favorite thing? Well, I'm a little biased. I love that arepas.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, if you love this tour, please give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below on what you would like to try. When you come to Miami, you have to go on this tour. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you on the next adventure. All right.
I seen it.